Today is January 25th, and with our warmer temperatures the last couple of days and the big snow a couple weeks ago, or about a week and a half ago, snow is starting to melt, and so we're getting more water coming into the plant. Our incoming pressure without any pumps running, you can see, is right about 30. And that's because we're getting 11 gallons a minute coming into the plant right now with no pumps running. So that's going to change our mode of procedure for our backwashes just a little bit. You're not going to have to touch the pumps over here at all. I've manually switched them all off for right now. IWT had pump 2 and pump 4 on, but they're now calibrated to not really turn on until it gets below about 20 psi, which is never going to happen right now as long as we're getting these big powerful flows coming in. So the way you need to do the manual back flushes every day is, again, you're going to start by closing these valves, shift them up into the up position just like that. Okay, that yellow one there on the bottom, this yellow one here, you're going to do both of those. When you do that, you will see this incoming pressure, influent pressure, rise to about 50. When it gets there, you are going to open this box on controller number 2, or you can start on number 1, whatever you want, and then do the manual back flushes. Again, as you do that, you're going to notice it go down here, a flow of water, go from kind of brownish to clear. Once it gets clear after about 8 or 9 seconds, you're going to stop it on that one. Then you're going to wait and watch the pressure rise back up to about 50. It'll only take a few seconds. It's not very long. If it gets a little higher, that's okay. Come over here, do your manual backwash on this one, on that controller box. Again, watching the flow, the color change in the water from brown to clear. Again, only going to take a couple seconds, then stop that backwash, and then come back to number 1 after the incoming pressure has gone up to about 50 again, and repeat that process. I do it a total of about 3 times on each controller box. Now, when you are all done, close up the boxes, make sure they're nice and latched. That keeps moisture out. And then come back down here under each one. This might be the most important part of the whole thing. And make sure you turn this valve back down to off. This guy right here, make sure it's pointed in line with the pipe. That means it is open. I'm sorry, not off, open. Same thing, you are going to take this one. It's been horizontal. Now you're going to turn it back to open. And that's going to let water go back into the system. And if you just stick around and watch it for a second, that pressure will drop from wherever it was slowly back down to 30. Takes just a little bit to stabilize, but that's pretty much all you have to do. Yeah, good luck. Have fun. Any questions, give me a call.